Alright, here it is, guys. The Smith & Wesson I've been talking about non-stop for like a week. I finally paid it off today. I got the quad rail put on it already. And it's time to shoot this thing. I've been talking about it for too long, and it's just time to shoot it. And let's just see what it can do. Alright. We're on fire. Oh my God, that is a good shooting rifle. That is amazing. I'm shooting 223 hollow points. I was going to get 5.56, but same thing. Just 5.56. NATO is the casing sticker. That's it. But that's it. Trust me, I'll have more videos on here.